You want to know how to delay ejaculation. You are probably frustrated because you are unable to satisfy your partner in bed. You feel your partner seeks pleasure outside simply because you can't satisfy her. Now you really don't know what to do to permanently stop this problem. How do you go from lasting within 2 minutes to lasting up to 30 minutes or more in bed? You must realize at once that there are effective techniques to help you increase your staying power. It's your own fault that you're suffering from this condition, so it's up to you to put an end to it, and the sooner the better. Let's examine 2 tips to help you delay ejaculation and enjoy sex. Number 1, it is okay to stop. You need to keep it down when having sex, that is, take it slow when you make love. Rushing yourself during lovemaking is not called for. A lot of men go into the thrusting mode as soon as they start having sex, and they are amazed why they get an orgasm early. Pumping fast during sex will cause you to reach a climax early, for the reason that quick penetration results in excessive stimulation of your penis. The key is to discontinue all movement once you sense you are about to reach a climax. You are not going to be initially perfect when you start practicing this, and there will be some occasion when you may spill unintentionally. That's no big deal, because as you continue practicing it, you are going to become perfect and you will know the right time to stop. You can continue penetration once you sense that your arousal drops down a few notches. Number 2, muscular chill out. Pubococcygeus are the muscles that control the flow of urine and semen. The strength of these muscles determines your ejaculation control. The pubococcygeus muscle is located between the anus and testes, and this muscle tighten and feel tensed whenever you are about to get to an orgasm. In order to avoid early ejaculation, you need to do all you can to completely relax the pubococcygeus muscles. The strength of the pubococcygeus muscle is very important because it's responsible for ejaculation and plays a great role in determining your staying power during lovemaking. In order to strengthen these muscles, you can perform exercises like Kegels, which helps to relax them. Generally, there is a tendency for men to have early ejaculation. However, keeping your pubococcygeus muscle relaxed when making love may be easier said than done at the start. Nevertheless, as you continue practicing it, it will become accustomed to you in no time. You need the right techniques to utterly cure the problem of early ejaculation naturally and without relying on pills. Are you still asking how to delay ejaculation? The 2 tips above are extremely effective and can help last long during sex. These are only a few tips on how to beat premature ejaculation naturally. The truth is that the techniques to last longer in bed are extremely effective and will help you to become more confident about abilities. Many men have faced the issue of premature ejaculation at one point or another in their lives and were able to resolve the problem. There are steps you can take to last longer in bed and give your wife or girlfriend a smoldering hot sex. You can get past the problem of early ejaculation and be able to permanently control premature ejaculation. There are time-proven tips, techniques and strategies to turn this pressing problem around for good so that you can sexually fulfill her.